Good morning, students. So last class discussed about the topic. So what is the stress and what is the strain, and so the types of the stress and types of the strain already so discussed. And so another one is taken, and so that is called as a potential energy. And so what is the potential energy? Elastic potential energy and strain energy. And so in last class derived that equation strain energy. So strain energy, the S is equal, or potential energy U is equal of into stress into strain per unit volume. Okay, got it. Now today discuss about the next topic, that is behavior of the air under gradually increasing load. So before the topic before, we can study that another topic. What is small topic, very important 4 marks topic in IP. So what is the Hooke's law? Okay, got it. What is the Hooke's law? So Hooke's law, within the elastic limit, okay, within the elastic limit, the stress is directly proportional to, okay, stress is directly proportional to the strain. Stress is directly proportional to the strain. So if in case, if in consider the proportional can be derivative, taken the some constant that is called as E. So E is equal to stress by strain. Stress by strain. E is equal to stress by strain. So E is called, okay, so modulus, elastic modulus, okay, elasticity modulus. So that the E is equal to stress by strain. E is equal to stress by strain. Got it? So now another one is proportionality limit. Okay, proportionality limit. So proportionality limit means, so the maximum stress is applied on a body. The maximum stress is applied on a body. Okay, the stress is directly proportional to the strain, and obey the Hooke's law is called as a proportionality limit. Proportionality limit is the maximum stress is directly proportional to the strain on the object, applied on the object. And so within the elastic limit and obey the Hooke's law, so is called proportionality limit. Okay, got it? Proportionality limit. Now, so that is next one is taken permanent set. Okay, permanent set. So permanent set is nothing but, okay, that is nothing but beyond of the elastic limit. The stress is applied on a body beyond the elastic limit. Beyond the elastic limit. So is called as a permanent set. Okay, so permanent set is nothing but, so beyond the elastic limit, the stress is or load is applied on a body. Okay, the body is permanently set up. Okay, got it? So permanently set up. Now, so another one is taken breaking stress. Breaking stress. So what mean by breaking stress? So breaking stress is nothing but, so that particular stress, okay, so that is the breaking at which stress is called as a breaking stress. Breaking is nothing but, so the chalk piece is a breaking, okay, the stress at a particular, okay, the stress at which breaking is called as a breaking stress. Okay, got it? So now once again repeat, what is the Hooke's law? So Hooke's law means the stress is directly proportional to the strain within the elastic limit. So is called as a, that is called as a Hooke's law. Hooke's law. Got it? Now, so another one is taken proportionality limit. So proportionality limit means so the maximum stress is applied on a body. The stress is directly proportional to the strain. Maximum stress. Okay. So the maximum stress is applied on a body. The maximum stress is applied on a body. Okay, the stress is directly proportional to strain within the elastic limit is called as the proportionality limit. Proportionality limit. Now, so another one is taken permanent set. So permanent set is nothing but so the load is applied again. Okay, so the body does not regain virginal position. That is the virginal region or virginal position. That means so beyond of the elastic limit. So beyond of the elastic limit, that wire is in a setup. That is the permanent setup. Okay, permanent setup. Now another one is discussed, that is called as a breaking stress. So what is the breaking stress? So breaking stress is nothing but breaking. That is the load. The wire is the thinner. Okay, so at which particular stress the wire is breaking is called as a breaking stress. Okay, got it. So, okay, right. Now, so discuss the another topic. So that is so behavior of the wire under gradually increasing load. Behavior of the wire under gradually increasing load. So that is now consider the wire. So wire, that is the wire is the one is a rigid body that is supported at a rigid body, and another end is taken free. So the load is applied the free end. The load is applied at free end. Okay, the load is applied at a free end of the wire. Okay, so the wire is a gradually the load is increased. The wire is gradually increased. So what is the behavior of the wire? Okay, what is the nature of the wire? Now discuss. What mean that? What understanding? Okay, so now we are taken under observation. Okay, that taken is graph. Okay, now so the strain and stress is taken. So stress along the y direction is taken and the strain is taken along the x direction. The load is increased gradually at free end of the wire. What do understanding of the behavior of the wire? Okay, behavior of the wire. Now study about from this graph. Okay, from this graph. Now, so here the graph behavior is taken 0 to A and B, C and D and E points are taken. So observe. Okay, do you understand? Right. So now that is called as a discuss the that point is A is called as a proportionality limit. A is called as a proportionality limit. Now another taken B is called as a elastic limit. Okay, elastic limit. Now third one he is called as a breaking point or fracture point. Okay, he is called as a breaking point or fracture point. Now, so the verb is called as a permanent set and elastic range and plastic range, and something ranges are observed from the graph. Okay, so that is the graph is drawn. The between the stress and strain, the stress is applied. That means the load will be applied. The load are applied. In other words, the stress applied. The stress applied on a body. So the behavior of the wire. The behavior of the wire. Now study. Okay. So what is means by proportionality limit? Now first one. The first point is taken proportionality limit. So what mean by proportionality limit? Now here observe. So 0 to A is called as a proportionality limit. Okay. In proportionality limit, the stress is directly proportional to the strain. The stress is directly proportional to the strain and obey the Hooke's law. Obey the Hooke's law, and so the stress is removed. Okay, the load is removed, the wire is regained original setup, original position, original region. Okay, so the OA point, the OA region is along the straight line. Okay, so the position, that region is called as a proportionality limit. Okay, so the maximum stress will be applied, and so the producing the strain on the wire. The stress is directly proportional to the strain, and obey the Hooke's law. And so the along the OA straight line observed from the graph. So the OA is called as a within the elastic limit, and Hooke's law obeys. The OA is called as a proportionality limit. OA is called proportionality limit. Got it? So now another one, that is taken elastic limit. Elastic limit. So elastic limit is taken. So that is from, okay. So B point is taken. So from A point is taken. That is called as a is taken. That is elastic limit. Okay. So elastic limit means now it is does not obey the Hooke's law. Okay, it is does not obey the Hooke's law. The load is removed, unloaded. Okay, so unloaded, so that is becomes the original position, original region, that is called as P, A, O to reach. Okay, it is does not obey the Hooke's law. It is complete elastic nature, elastic behavior, elastic exist. Okay, elastic exist in the region. So that B point is called as a elastic limit. Elastic limit or yield point. Elastic limit or yield point. So corresponding to the strength is called as a yield strength. So this is called as a sigma, Y is called as a yield strength. Okay, got it? So now, so the from point A. Okay, so the stress is another applied. The stress is increased further. Okay, from A. So it is does not obey the Hooke's law. The load is removed. It is regained. That is the original position BAO. BAO. Got it? The point B is called as a, that is means elastic behavior or elastic nature will be exist. Okay, elastic nature exists. Now is taken. So for example, so that is means so another the stress is applied. The strain is produced. Okay, so suddenly the strain is increased. Small stress will be applied beyond the so before after B point, after B to E. Observe. So small stress will be applied, the strain will be produced. Okay, so that observed in a B and D. So now discuss the another point is taken breaking point or fracture point. What mean by breaking point? Or that is nothing but permanent set is also permanent set. Permanent set is nothing but so B and E. Okay, B and E. So for example, take a C point. Okay, it is does not regain original position. Okay, so complete permanently set up. That means permanent set means complete permanent setup. It does not regain original position. It is does not obey the Hooke's law. Okay, so that is called as a permanent set. After permanent set, further the increasing of the load. Okay, further increasing of the stress. So the wire is thinner and thinner. So at which the load, the stress is applied, the wire is breaking. That is called as a breaking stress. Okay, breaking stress or fracture point. Breaking stress or fracture point. Okay, so now taken the strain will be produced along the x direction and y direction is applied the stress. Now consider the wire. So the wire is fixed at a rigid support. Another end of the free wire, the load will be applied continuously. So what to observe the gradually increasing the load, okay, on the wire. So first of all, taken that is called as the proportional limit. So the OAB proportional limit and Hooke's law is obeyed, and so that is called as a proportional limit. OA is called as the proportional limit, and Hooke's law is obeyed, and it's again original position. Okay, it is observe the straight line in the graph. Okay, got it. So now another taken elastic limit. So elastic limit. So from point to A is elastic limit. It is does not obey the Hooke's law, and the force or the load will be removed on the wire. So it's again the original position B, A to O. Okay. So the B point is called as a proportionality, that means not proportional, elastic nature will be exist, so that is called as a elastic point. B point is called as a elastic point or yield point. Okay, got it. So another one is called as a permanent set. What is the permanent set? So after B point, the wire load will be applied, gradually increasing. The small stress we applied, the large strain will be produced on the wire. It does not regain original position and does not obey the Hooke's law. So that is the point is called as the permanent setup. Permanent setup. Okay. Now another is taken after D point at a point E is called as the fracture point or breaking point. The wire is a very thinner. Some load will be applied. The wire is breaking at a particular at which the stress is called as a, okay, the breaking stress. Okay, got it. Alright, so now another discuss the topic in the next class. Okay, thank you students.